In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert Google Slides to PowerPoint. Many of us regularly create presentations using Google Slides due to its ease of use and cloud-based nature. However, there are instances when you might need to convert your Google Slides presentation into a PowerPoint file. This could be because you're presenting in an environment where PowerPoint is preferred, or you simply want to take advantage of some specific PowerPoint features. Whatever the reason, the process is straightforward and I'll guide you through it step by step. To start with, open your web browser and navigate to Google Slides. If you need, log into your Google account to access your presentations. Once you're in Google Slides, locate the specific presentation you want to convert. You can do this by browsing through your list of presentations or using the search bar at the top. Once you've found it, click on the file to open it. With your presentation now open, look towards the top left corner of your screen, where you'll see the menu bar. Here, click on File, which will display a drop-down menu. From this menu, hover over Download. You'll notice several options appear. For this task, you'll need to select Microsoft PowerPoint.pptx. Clicking on this option will automatically convert your Google Slides into a PowerPoint file. Your conversion is almost complete, and you might see a notification or download prompt depending on your browser settings. Typically, the file will be saved in your Downloads folder. If you need to save it elsewhere, simply drag the downloaded file to your preferred location on your computer. At this point, it's a good idea to open the PowerPoint file to ensure everything looks as expected. Double-click the file to open it in PowerPoint. Review the slides to check that the formatting, images, and animations have transferred correctly. Occasionally, minor adjustments might be necessary due to differences in how Google Slides and PowerPoint handle certain features. Lastly, remember this process when you need to share presentations with someone who prefers or requires PowerPoint. It can save them the hassle of finding a way to open a Google Slides file without internet access. So, to recap, you start by opening Google Slides, accessing your presentation, navigating to the File menu, selecting Download as PowerPoint, and finally reviewing the conversion. This simple method makes your presentations versatile and adaptable for various platforms and audiences. Thank you for joining me today. With this knowledge, you should have no trouble converting any Google Slides into PowerPoint in the future. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more useful tech tips and tutorials.